Hey everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today's a little different, but I've got some mail here that I want to open. And Miss Shay with Sassy Granny Vlogs, she had a little contest and I did what she had asked, and I was entered in the little contest. So when she went to draw names, she did it on her phone on an app, and it picked me. So I'm gonna open this with y'all. I have not opened it yet. I know a little bit of what it is, but not everything. I don't know where it's from. So it says, she's got me a little note in here. So sorry it took so long to get this to you, but here is your prize winning, the $20 gift card from Walmart. So it's from Walmart. Yay! I'm sure you will enjoy it. Shay. So this is from Shay. Thank you for the nice little letter. And she sent me a gift card from Walmart. So I'll have to let y'all know what I buy with it. But this is from Shay with Sassy Granny Vlogs. So if you have not subscribed to her, go subscribe to her channel. It's Sassy Granny Vlogs, and she does a lot of little videos, and she does crocheting, she does junk journals, she does a lot of crafts just like I do. So y'all go subscribe to her, and it's Sassy Granny Vlogs, and I'll put the link down in this video so y'all can just click on it and go subscribe, show her some love, and we'll have to see what we go get with our gift card. So go check her out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.